Have you ever stopped to think about the intricate network of regulations that govern the cosmetic industry worldwide? From the streets of Paris to the bustling markets of Tokyo, each region adheres to its unique set of rules, all aimed at ensuring the safety, efficacy, and transparency of the products you trust. In the United States, the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetics Act sets the standards, while the European Union, the Cosmetic Products Regulation number 1223, 2009, governs the industry. China follows the Cosmetic Supervision and Administration Regulation, and Brazil abides by Resolution RDC 7, 2015. But what ties together these regulations? A universal focus on safety, efficacy, and transparency. It's a global commitment to protect you, the consumer. There are a number of different regulations across the globe. Now, let's delve into the world of safety standards. These aren't just guidelines, they're pillars that uphold the trust you place in every product you use. But here's the twist. These standards are not static, they evolve. As we gain new scientific insights, regulations adapt, ensuring that your cosmetics are not just safe, but also at the forefront of innovation. Take Procter & Gamble's Olay, for instance. Their commitment to aligning with these ever-changing standards means a relentless pursuit of testing and refining their products. It's a never-ending quest for perfection, all to meet your needs. Now, let's talk about labeling. In this digital age, information is power. Accurate labeling empowers you to make informed choices about the products you use. But it's not just about following rules. It's about embracing them to foster innovation, trust, and a deeper connection with you, the consumer. Navigating this labyrinth of international compliance is akin to a dance. It requires grace, precision, and an unwavering dedication to match the rhythm of various global standards. As regulations change, companies like Procter & Gamble stay ahead of the curve. They adapt to ensure that their products not only comply, but also exceed expectations. The US FDA has recently made updates to cosmetic regulations. Some of these changes included mandatory registration. The new regulation requires all facilities, regardless of location, manufacturing or processing cosmetic products for sale in the United States, to register with the FDA. Enhanced record keeping. There are increased obligations for record keeping related to product safety, reporting, and documenting serious adverse events. The definition of what constitutes a serious adverse event has also been expanded. Updated labeling requirements. The regulations introduce new labeling requirements, such as providing contact information for adverse event reporting and notifications for products intended for professional use. These aren't just changes. They're a reflection of how our science and society have evolved, showcasing a dynamic regulatory environment. Innovation in regulations also means keeping pace with our planet's needs. Today's rules are increasingly eco-conscious, mindful of sustainability, and the ecological footprint of beauty products. For you, the consumer, this translates to access to products that are safe for you and kind to nature. It's a harmonious balance between beauty and environmental responsibility. So as we navigate this ever-evolving landscape, remember this: regulations aren't just bureaucratic red tape. They're the safeguards of your well-being, ensuring product effectiveness and championing a sustainable future. The next time you look at a cosmetic product, remember, you're also looking at a vast network of rules and standards. They're the unseen framework ensuring that what you're using is not just effective, but safe, responsible, and in harmony with our planet.